Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about radiotherapy in ENT. Radiotherapy, as you know, is delivered by two methods. One is external, like intensity modulated radiotherapy or stereotactic radiotherapy, and another is brachytherapy. One basic thing is radiotherapy works well on more oxygenated cells. So larger tumors which have less vascularity, radiotherapy does not work well. When the tumor is exophytic, the vascularity is good, radiotherapy works well. The radiotherapy basically given 60 to 70 gray in 30 to 35 fractionation over a period of 6 to 7 weeks. So why there is fractionation? This fractionation is to give time to the tumor cells to become reoxygenated. Also, it gives opportunity of the tumor cells to go into the favorable stage of cell cycle because radiotherapy works well during mitosis, G1 and S phase of cell cycle. And also this fractionation gives time to normal cells to recover. Radiotherapy is most commonly mainly indicated for malignant cause, like early stage of cancer when there is option of either radiotherapy or surgery. It can be given concurrently with chemotherapy. Postoperatively, we can give radiotherapy in advanced stage like when there is high T or high N stage, when there is extracapsular stage, when there is a positive margin, when there is lymphovascular and perineal invasion. Also, the radiotherapy can be given on a palliative basis. But interestingly, radiotherapy is also indicated for some benign conditions in ENT. These are pituitary adenoma, vestibular schwannoma, recurrent pleomorphic adenoma, inoperable or recurrent nasopharyngeal angiofibroma, keloid scarring, carotid body tumor, and Graves' eye disease. Radiotherapy obviously has some toxicities. These toxicities can be divided into systemic and local. Systemic toxicity is lethargy, weakness, secondary tumor. The local toxicities are for GIT, there is mucositis, dysphagia. For eye, there is cataract. For ear, there is sensorineural hearing loss, tinnitus. The endocrine complication is alopecia, hypothyroidism. In mandibular region, there may be osteoradionecrosis of the mandible. So these are different toxicities of radiotherapy or complications. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.